This is Kate Weatherwise with a severe weather outlook through April 5th. First, let's take a look at the dew point temperatures around the country, in particular the central and southern plains. Now, I talked about this last week in an earlier video where I mentioned a dry line situation was likely to set up, and there is that setting up today with a low pressure system over Colorado, creating some wintry precipitation and conditions up there, and a cold front stretching down into Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas, creating that warm, moist air out ahead of it and dry air to the west. This is what's going to set up the severe weather for today. Looking at the latest European model, we see these thunderstorms that I was talking about starting to percolate into Oklahoma, Kansas, and Texas today, which will bring severe weather and a chance of tornadoes through this evening. And as it pushes a little bit east, that low pressure system kind of stays put, with snow and some ice to the north up into the upper Midwest into Canada. For our Thursday, April 2nd, we're going to see that severe weather percolate into Iowa, Wisconsin, and Illinois, again with snow and ice to the north up into Canada. During the day on Friday, we'll see storms start to fire again from about Oklahoma, Texas, Kansas, over towards Missouri and Arkansas during the day on Friday into Friday evening. Then again, on Saturday, we will see these storms start to pop up again for the Ohio Valley over towards the East Coast, with that snow still hanging around in the upper Midwest and the upper plains heading into Canada. During the day on Saturday, this low pressure system will continue to move east, and as it does, it will lose a little bit of steam, but we still could see some embedded severe weather or strong thunderstorms as it makes its way to the East Coast. Finally, on Easter Sunday afternoon and evening, this low pressure system will clear the East Coast, bringing in behind it some cooler weather, drier dew points, and calmer weather for the rest of the country, which will be a nice break for sure. Looking at what the Storm Prediction Center has for us, the orange equals an enhanced risk for severe weather today in the plains of the U.S. The brown indicates a 5% chance for tornadoes in that same vicinity, which also means they could be of strength EF0 to EF2. During the day on Thursday, the severe weather risk shifts to the northeast, which also includes there in the yellow shading a 10% chance for EF0 to EF2 strength tornadoes in that same vicinity of the upper Midwest. This is going to be a really active weather time, but for now, this is Kate Weatherwise saying goodbye.